today we are actually going to be replacing the soap dispenser because our little door right here, the little clip that goes right there, actually broke off. You can see right there. So if you ever have that happen to you, you actually have to take the whole door assembly off on this dishwasher. So, and I went ahead and I purchased one on eBay. Let's see, get a clear look. And this one's brand new. They run around 50 bucks new. eBay was the cheapest place I found them because they throughout the internet I searched and they run between $65 to $80. So we're going to start with a disassembling the door panel first, and these actually are not Phillips heads. Let's see if you can see the this is going to be a number. It's going to be a T15, I believe. So, and we're working on a Whirlpool. As you can see, we're going to be working also with 6 screws from the back part, and then a plug-in right there. See it? So this is the back part of it. So let's go and start taking that panel off. So as we took all those screws from the back, it actually took the panel loose from the front. So we're actually going to take this whole panel of the door and set it aside. And then we'll just kind of show you what it looks like so far. So this is exposed. That's what we're taking off right there, see? Okay, so we're going to take these little screws off. Disconnect the power real quick. Connect the power here. There's your power. So we have nothing there. So we're going to remove the tiny little screws that are holding the soap dispenser, and this is a 3/16 socket. I'm going to take these tiny little screws off and finally take this thing out. Like I said, we're using a 3/16 socket. I'm going to keep them in kind of an order on the floor as I'm taking them out, because they're actually kind of different lengths, and I don't want to mess them up as far as the order. I'm taking them off. Okay, so we're removing a metal piece that comes with it too, this metal piece, and then I'm going to keep this together on the floor, and then this should pop off through the front, and it's got a little clip over here on the side. Let's see if I can see. let's show you real quick. So you see that clip right there, and it looks like there's a one on the bottom too. See it right there. So just use maybe like a screwdriver gently to remove that. So you don't break it. There you go. And I'm just going to remove this. So I'm just going to remove this just like that. And I'm going to put it on the side for now. And we have the brand new one here. This one here. And just replace it just like that. Did you hear that clip in? So once you push it in, it clips onto those. That one and that one. See it down there, that one there. So we'll go ahead and put this metal plate back on with the protector on it. Okay. I believe this is going to serve a purpose of preventing any fire, I guess. But it's on there for a reason. Okay. Like I said, we're going to put the screws back on the same order that we took them off. Once we have all 6 bolts mounted, we're going to plug in the electricity right back in. Just like that. This will protect it from getting any water into the backboard there. And then we're gonna mount this back. This actually has to slide in a little bit. It comes down. That just kind of sits there. And we're going to get our screws together. Okay. Mount a couple of screws just to hold this plate up. Okay. doing right now is just mounting all the screws back in is all. Kind of reverse of what you took off and putting the panel back on. Don't over torque him because you'll end up breaking something. Okay. Test that out there. That looks good. So we're going to go ahead and put some soap into the soap dispensary. We have our dishes in here ready to go. So put some Cascade in here. Cascade. And then we'll put some Finish Jet Dry. And just fill that up until you see the full mark. And it's okay if you make a mess because see how that. It's okay. Anyways, it's gonna get water gonna be thrown everywhere. Make sure that's working. And we'll go ahead and preset all our stuff here. Normal, high temperature wash. And there you go. That's it. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and have a good night.